Hi, I'm Ryan Fisher. I'm a partner here at Lowe Scott Fisher, and I wanted to talk about something that's been in the news and on social media the last few days, and that is the young lady down in Louisiana who made the very, very bad decision to use aerosol Gorilla Glue as hairspray. And in all the articles that I've seen about it, it mentions that she's contemplating filing a lawsuit against the manufacturers of Gorilla Glue. And every few years in this country, starting back in the 90s when that woman spilled hot coffee on her lap, every few years a case like this comes around that garners a lot of attention in our country. And it's worth talking about, as ridiculous as the facts are. It is worth talking about because it does generate and drive some of the things that happen in our state and federal legislatures. In order to prevail in a product liability law or product liability lawsuit, first of all, you have to show that the product was unreasonably dangerous. And for instance, a chainsaw, there's nothing you can do to a chainsaw to make it safe. You're going to have a sharp spinning blade on a chainsaw because that's what the product is, and it has a benefit to having that sharp blade. It allows you to cut down trees and things. Same with Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue is a very strong spray adhesive, and there's nothing you can do to make it so it's not a spray adhesive. That's what the product is. So when you have a product that you can't change to make it completely safe, what a manufacturer is responsible to do is to warn, to make the consumer aware that this could be or is a dangerous product and to take the appropriate precautions. And in the Gorilla Glue case, the manufacturers of Gorilla Glue put right on their can that it is not to be used on clothing, on skin, in people's eyes. It's dangerous and you need to be careful with it. Nowhere on that packaging does it say it can or should be used as hairspray or on any other part of your body. Does this young woman in Louisiana have a case? Well, we aren't licensed in Louisiana, so I'm going to speak as if this case were brought to us here in Ohio. Does she have a case? Probably not. That's my answer. First of all, the product did what it is supposed to do. It is a spray adhesive. There is no way you can make it so it's not a spray adhesive without making it completely useless. The company apparently warned appropriately. They had printed right on their packaging that this product is not to be used in your eyes, on your skin, or on your clothes, which is exactly what this woman did. Was it reasonable? This is something that a jury would ultimately have to decide if the case ever got that far. Was what the user or the plaintiff did, was it reasonable? Was it foreseeable? I submit to you that it probably was not. I don't think the manufacturers of Gorilla Glue ever anticipated that anybody would ever use this product as hairspray. So while every so often you do hear about these crazy cases, and hopefully this young lady's going to be okay and no worse for wear, and certainly she's never going to do this again, but the long and the short of it is, in Ohio, it is my opinion at least, that this young lady would not be able to prevail in a lawsuit against the manufacturers of Gorilla Glue. If you think you were injured as the result of a dangerous product, my partners and I have been litigating these cases for decades. We'd be happy to talk to you. We'd be happy to let you know if we think we can help you. And if you think you want to talk to us, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you.